Hello everyone, you're watching Physio Classroom channel, and in this new series of educational videos, we will be learning about the concept and different application techniques of kinesiology taping. In this introductory video on kinesiology taping, we will be learning the following important points. Namely, what is kinesiology taping? What are the important characteristics of a kinesiology tape? What is the underlying mechanism by which kinesiology taping works? And what are the important proven benefits of kinesiology taping application? And at the last, we will conclude this video by briefly mentioning the important contraindications and precautions that should be kept in mind during the use of kinesiology taping. So let's get started. So kinesiology tapes have been made in such a way that they mimic the same quality as that of the skin in terms of the weight, thickness and elasticity. Now these tapes have the characteristic ability to get stretched by up to 120 to 140% of the original length. Now for a simple demonstration here, I am going to show how a 4-inch length of the tape can elongate up to 8-inch and more. How a 4-inch length of the tape can elongate up to 8-inch and more. And this tape after the application also has this ability to recoil back to its original length. Now if we take a closer look of the kinesiology tape from the paper backing side, we can see that this side is sticky, and this is so because this has glue in it. And on closer look, we can appreciate that the glue has been applied over the kinesiology tape in a wave-like pattern. Now this wave-like pattern ensures that the moisture or the perspiration escapes from the tape so that it can remain dry. Now what is interesting